To enable and use swipe to text feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Scroll down the screen, tap other call setting, and then tap the gray on option next to swipe to call or text until the switch room screen to turn it on. To see how this feature works, go to your contact list or to your call history. As the example, we will try this feature in the call history. To do so, tap the back key twice to go back to the dial pad screen. Tap recent to see your call history. With the swipe to text feature is on, now you can easily write a message to a contact simply by swiping the contact to the left like this. Now you can write your message. And then you can send it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.